The biggest challenge in hydroponic, even by experienced grower, is managing pH and EC in their hydroponic operations. Okay? When we fill this system, this deep water culture, we set it at pH 6.5 and the EC was about 1800. Of course, perfect conditions, right? The plant use the water, water evaporates, time to add more water. We added tap water, and now look what happened to the pH. From 6.5, now it's 7.5. And EC dropped because we add clean water instead of, we add water without any nutrients. So now you want to drop the pH and raise the EC. If you add fertilizer, that will raise the EC. So I suggest in this situation you start by adding fertilizer to raise the EC where you want it, and then look at the pH. Sometimes it will drop because many fertilizers are acidic in nature, and if it's not enough, that's when you drop the pH. So address the EC first, then address the pH second. In my case, I'm doing research. I'm not allowed to add more fertilizer, so I'm not going to look at the EC. My only concern is to drop the pH from 7.5 to 6.5. And one of the best chemicals available is something like this, called pH Down, and it's orange color. And in about 30 gallon, here's the cap full, and mix it. And you see how fast it works. A cap full, this much. Maybe 2 mils, 3 mils in about 30 gallons of water. And my goodness, I'm afraid I may have dropped it too much. It's slowly bouncing back up. But it went from 7.5 to 5.5. Now it's too low. Next time I know I have to put less than a capful, because I don't have the pH up, which looks like this, but it's a blue color label and has an arrow pointing up. It's called pH up. That's what you'll use to raise it up. Okay, still moving up. Now it's 5.6. Okay, I'll be happy with 6. 6.2. I'm happy with this. It does not have to be 6.5. Anything from 5.5 to 6.2 or 6.5 is acceptable, is good. So I'm in the good range. So this is better than trying to use acid, or some people use sulfuric acid, or this you have to use a lot of volume. This is really well suited for hydroponic operation. Okay, so now after a minute and the water got a chance to equilibrate and move everywhere, now I'm in about 6.1, and that's fine with me. I'm good. I'm not going to add any more. So pH and EC, as a recap, if the EC is low, add fertilizer. If the pH is really high, like more than 1800, 2000, remove some of the water and fertilizer and add water. Then adjust the pH. Let adjusting the pH the last one. Most of the time the EC may be fine, then you just have to worry about adjusting the pH to where you want it. So now that it had time to equilibrate, my final pH I will call 6.11, 6.1, and that's all. Enjoy.